तो I thought, why not document it? Let's have a chat on it. मुझे बताओ, what made you come back and why do you want to serve Karachi especially?
So when I initially moved out of Pakistan to study at the LSE, जब मैं नया उधर में गया था तो दिमाग में कभी ये बात नहीं रखी हुई थी या कभी बात सोचनी थी कि इधर परमानेंटली रहना है या लेट्स से कि इधर कोई एक करियर बिल्ड करना है या फैमिली लाइफ इधर बिल्ड करनी है. दिमाग में बस यही था कि गॉड हैज़ बिन काइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ हेल्पिंग मी गेट इनटू अ टॉप नॉच यूनिवर्सिटी. उधर अपनी तालीम हासिल करनी और फौरी तौर पे वापस पाकिस्तान चले ही जाना है. लेकिन फिर कुछ हुआ इस तरह के जैसे ही मैं उधर जब पहुंचा तो LSE का जिस तरह का एक एनवायरनमेंट था, काफ़ी एक कंपेरेटिव एनवायरनमेंट था. एवरीवन वाज लुकिंग टू गेट इनटू इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग और कंसल्टिंग. तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये होता है कि आप भी उस हर्ड मेंटालिटी में केव इन कर जाते हो. तो उनकी देखा देखी में मैंने भी समझेंगे एप्लीकेशंस भरना शुरू कर दिए समर इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए. अच्छे mentors भी थे. Thankfully I got a summer internship at PricewaterhouseCoopers, and then that converted to a full-time offer. So anyway, I decided to stay back for some time. But again, even when I took on that role or that job, the plan was never to stay back for, let's say, longer than 3 years or 4 years, and that's what happened. And there's a good enough reason for that. So my family has been in politics for the last 4 generations now.
4 generations.
4 generations, yeah.
That's like 120 years.
Literally, that's how it is. So my great grandfather, Allah Bakhsh Gabol, he basically started doing politics back in 1920s. From Karachi in general, he was part of KMC. He was a municipal councillor, which back in the day was a huge deal. आजकल के दौर में शायद नहीं, क्योंकि पावर काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट है प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट्स के हाथों में या फेडरल गवर्नमेंट्स के हाथों में. पर उस वक्त म्यूनिसिपल काउंसलर होना बहुत बड़ी बात थी. एंड देन इवेंचुअली the way we got fame in the political scene was that in 1937 my great grandfather defeated Sir Abdullah Harun, जो कि ये आपने Abdullah Harun रोड का भी नाम सुना होगा, जिस पे मैरियट और भी काफ़ी वेल नोन लैंडमार्क साइट्स मौजूद हैं. उनको उन्हें इंडिपेंडेंटली डिफीट किया था लियारी के इलेक्शंस में, which was considered to be a major upset. You could say an upset equivalent to, let's say, for example, like let's say like Imran Khan losing to, for example, let's say, I don't know, someone like some random gentleman in Karachi. If he contests politics against Imran Khan, if he wins, that'd be how big of a deal it would be. And literally that's how it was, because Sir Abdullah Harun was the candidate of Muslim League, All India Muslim League, which obviously was a big deal. And my great grandfather was literally just campaigning based on the fact that he was Baloch. And because Liari was majority of the population of Liari, since made up of ethnicity of the Baloch ethnicity, we were able to, or my great grandfather was able to comfortably win that election. फिर हुआ ये कि anyway उसके बाद फिर 1937 के उस पहले जो सिंध लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली थी, जो कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 के बाद पहली वो जो है पार्लियामेंट सेटअप हुई थी सिंध के लिए, क्योंकि पहले बॉम्बे लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज को कहा जाता था. So he was nominated as the first deputy speaker, and then afterwards he went on to become mayor of Karachi twice, which again was a huge deal. Then after that, his son Sattar Gabol, who's my father's uncle, he was Bhutto Saab's close companion, was his federal minister for labor, and also served as the provincial health minister. And then later on, his nephew, who's my father, you might have heard of him, Nabil Gabol, from the Pakistan People's Party, contested from Liari, has been active since the time he was 26 years old. He recently got elected again, and now it's my brother Nadir who's active in Liari politically, and I'm currently looking into Liari, but at the same time I'm working for a different constituency, which is in Sorabgod town area. And Sorabgod, a lot of people might not know this, but it's actually named after Sorab Gabol. It's not named after a Pakhtun, which generally a lot of people assume that is the case, but it's actually named after a Gabol of mine who used to own quite a bit of land in that area. तो सोराबगोड टाउन समझे हम वो इलाका है डिस्ट्रिक्ट ईस्ट कराची के अंदर ये शुमार, जहाँ से मैंने अपनी सियासी करियर का आगाज़ किया. और लास्ट ईयर मैंने समझे कि टिकट के लिए अप्लाई भी किया था, और फॉर द लास्ट कपल ऑफ ईयर्स नाउ मैं उधर एक्टिवली वर्क भी कर रहा हूँ. एंड इंशाल्लाह आई एम होपफुल दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम द पार्टी विच इज़ पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी दैट आई एम एफिलिएटेड विद माइट कंसिडर मी फॉर द नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन.